Hello and welcome to this new DynFi Firewall screencast. Today we are going to see how to upgrade your DynFi Firewall from version 1 to version 2. First you need to log in to your DynFi Firewall. Once you are logged in, go to System, Firmware, Status. Here you can check the version of DynFi who is 1.00000. So you need to click on Check for Update. Here you will see the detail of the updates that are going to be applied. So it's a two-round process. So first click on Update. This will update the 77 packages available. So you first click on Update, it will trigger the updates and fetch the packages. There are 78 packages that will be upgraded the first time, so after downloading the package they will be decompressed and installed on the system. So once the packages are being upgraded, there is a little thing that asks you to reboot, but it's written here. Please reboot machine and repeat the upgrade to finish the upgrade process. So this is what we are going to do. We click on Power, Reboot, and we reboot. Once the upgrade has taken place, you can just log in back to your firewall. So now you need to go on System again, Firmware, Status, and you need to check for update another time. So in this second round we are going to upgrade all the packages. This time there are 154 packages to be upgraded. So you click Update again. Okay, so now that this second round of update is done, you can simply move forward and reboot your firewall for the second time. Just go to Power, Reboot, and you will be done. Okay, so now you are on the DynFi Firewall version 2. Congratulations!